Hello guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Kindly subscribe and like my video before you proceed watching. Okay, today guys, I'll be taking you through team benefits. Or what does team benefit mean on the Starlight app? Okay, so now let's quickly move on. This is my account, my VIP2 account. Let's quickly go here to home and click on home. It brings you to this place. Now you quickly scroll down. Now over here we can see some features there. We can see team tax. You can see team tax here, and we can see invite friends here. So we quickly click on invite friends. So when we click on invite friends, it brings us to this page. And on this page here, we can see my invitation code, which is this, and then my invitation link, which is this. Now, when you want to invite someone to join Starlight, you have to send your invitation link to him or her. One can't join Starlight without an invitation code. You must have an invitation code. So what you quickly do is that you have to copy this. So you click on this tiny rectangular square boxes there to copy. Once you click on it, you see this there, copy success. So it means that your invitation link has been copied successfully, and then you can now go and then paste it to wherever you want to paste it to for people to click on it to join. Now when you send your invitation link to people and people join you through your link, those people are called your subordinates. We call them subordinates, meaning they are under you, and you become their superior automatically, meaning that you'll be versed with Starlight. You should know how to answer any questions that they bring to you. Good. So now from here you can see something here which is team benefits, and you can see team VIP 78, team benefits 140. So team VIP here means the number of subordinates I have that I've upgraded to VIP, either VIP 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or the platinum membership, which is VIP 6. I have 78 people. And then team benefit there is telling me the amount of money Starlight has to me as a bonus. Aside me getting the 15% referral commission, Starlight still gives me some benefits, some bonuses when I reach some certain number of subordinates. So let's quickly look at that now. Now as I scroll down there, we can see where it's written team tax here. Good. Now this team tax here, you can see some text written there, some sayings there. We can see the first one being team VIP members reach 5. So meaning if I'm able to get 5 VIP members, Starlight is going to pay me 10 Ghana cedis. So you can see here right now it is saying completed, meaning I've received the 10 Ghana cedis. Team VIP members reach 15. It means that Starlight is going to pay me 30 Ghana cedis when I get 15 VIP members. So now it's in there showing completed. When I reach 30 VIP members, Starlight is going to pay me 100 Ghana cedis. Isn't this wonderful? For not just doing anything, just free. Aside me getting, and this number of people that I've gotten or who have registered under me, I've gotten some commissions from them. I've gotten some commissions from these people, but Starlight still pays me for reaching these team members. So currently, I have the next one now, which is saying that team VIP members reach 75. Starlight is going to pay me 300 Ghana cedis. Now you can see that the green button there is telling me receive. It means that I have gotten even more than 75 people. I now have 78 people there. So it means I am eligible to receive this 300 Ghana cedis, and it will be sent directly into my Starlight account. Into my available balance is going to be sent there directly, instantly, without wasting any time. So this one's showing completed, that means that I have received them, and it's now time for me to receive this which is showing me 300 Ghana cedis. Isn't it wonderful? So for the purpose of this video, I didn't receive it yet. I want to receive it here for you guys to see how real it is. How real it is. So it is very good for you to invite people, share your link with people for people to join Starlight. Aside you receiving your 15% bonus, your 5% bonus, or your 3% bonus, you will still be paid for reaching some VIP members by Starlight. The highest there now is 1,000. When you reach 1,000 members, Starlight is going to pay you 20,000 Ghana cedis. This is minus you performing your task to receive daily earnings. So minus you receiving performing your task to receive daily earnings, you are getting all this by just inviting people to join to upgrade to VIPs. So now let's go back to see my account balance there before I receive this. So as I speak to you now, currently this is my account balance, 232 cedis, 16 pesos. So I want to go and receive the 300 Ghana cedis there, meaning that when it tops up there, it's going to be giving me 500 cedis, 532 cedis, 16 pesos. So let's go back there now, home, invite friends, then I scroll. So let's go to receive. Let's go to click on receive for us to receive the 300 cedis. So I click on receive. Good. Success. So now, right now, it is no longer showing receive. It's no longer showing, it's now showing completed because I have received it. So my next target now is for me to target the 160 subordinates to receive 500 Ghana cedis. You can see a meter is reading there. This meter is reading. Once the meter is full, it means I have gotten 160 subordinates and I can receive this 500 cedis again. So let's quickly go and check my balance now to see if it has reflected there. So I click on me now. Good. So right now you can see my balance is no longer 232. It is now 532 cedis, 16 pesos. So this is another way that we can earn. Some of you don't know of this. You just bear earning, performing your daily task, but you don't know that there are secret ways that you can make money. So please, after watching this video, kindly go through the steps and check to receive your bonuses from Starlight. Don't leave it there stagnant. Quickly go and receive your bonuses and thank me later, and also the Starlight team. Alright guys, I'm going to stop here now. Thank you very much for your time. See you in my next video, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel as well as like it. Bye bye for now.